This is a vapor rub. I got it from the dollar store. It's the same as Vicks vapor rub. This is just iphama, just the brand name. And guys, if you want to lose belly fat fast overnight, one teaspoon. And my next ingredient will be my coconut oil. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon, and that's all. I'm just gonna mix this together. And the next step is I'm gonna measure my waist. So this is showing exactly 37. And that part is 38. Basically that part is 43. And I'm gonna massage it onto my skin. Get those love handles. I want them gone. And you want to just work that in for a few minutes. The next step, I have my cling wrap here, and I'm gonna wrap my waist, and you want to wrap it as tight as possible. Please tuck in your tummy when you're wrapping it, guys. Tuck it in, suck it in. Suck it on in, guys. Suck it in. Because this is how you want it to look after. Suck in, tuck in and on. And now I'm gonna use this waist strainer, and I'm gonna band my waist. And I'm gonna use this one, the stretchy one, and I'm gonna put it up top. I'm gonna leave this on for about 2 hours, or you can leave it on as long as possible. So I'm gonna do a workout. I'm just gonna do laundry. I'm gonna clean around the house. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna pull my blouse down just like normal. So this is it, guys. I think there's some improvement. I'm gonna continue to do it. Wow, wow, look at that, guys. Can you see it? And now I have this coconut body oil, and I'm just gonna rub some on it. Now for the final result, we're going to measure it. All right. Now it's just a little bit below 36. And now we're going to measure the waist. And guys, can you see it? The waist was 38 and now it's under 36. So guys, can you see it? The tummy area was 43 and now it's at 41.1. And I'm going to continue to do it. And that's it, guys. This is me. No waist trainer, nothing on. Yes, it does work. You can keep it on longer if you want. All right, guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed.